Time never waits, and neither did I. I spent my life building robots, smarter, faster, and better than humans. One day, they decided they didn't need me anymore. Now, I watch my own creation rule the world.
Here we are in Filmora. If you don't have Filmora yet, you can try it for free. Download link is in the description. You can use either photos or video clips to create your short story. But for this tutorial, I'll be using AI-generated footage created directly inside Filmora. To generate your visuals, go to Stock Media, then open AI Media. Here you'll find several AI tools, including AI images, image to video, and text to video. If you want to generate AI images, simply upload a reference image. You can use any image you already have, or download one from Google or another source. Then, write a detailed prompt describing the scene you want to create. Before generating, you can customize the resolution, aspect ratio, and even switch between different AI models, depending on the style you're looking for. If you prefer generating videos directly, select text to video, enter your prompt, choose your preferred AI model, and adjust the resolution, duration, and aspect ratio before clicking Generate. I've already created all of my AI images, so I'll simply drag and drop them onto the timeline one by one. Now it's time to add the voiceover. You can either record your own narration or use Filmora's AI text-to-speech feature. For this project, I'll be using an AI voiceover that I created for my short story. I'll drag the voiceover onto the timeline and then match each scene with the narration. Since this is a short story, it's important to keep the pacing fast and engaging. I'll trim the clips, remove any unnecessary gaps, and synchronize every scene with the voiceover. Now that the basic editing is complete, let's move on to the advanced editing. Go to the Transitions tab. Filmora includes a huge collection of pre-made transitions, along with a dedicated AI transition section filled with AI-powered VFX transitions. For the first transition, I'll use the running transition. Simply download it, drag and drop it between the first two clips, and click Generate. Since it's an AI transition, it will use 200 AI credits. After a few seconds, the transition will be ready, creating a smooth blend between both scenes. For the next scene, I'll use the liquid silver transition. Just place it between the next two clips and click Generate again. Instead of using another transition for the following scene, let's add an AI effect. Go to the Effects tab and choose one of the trending AI effects. I'll use the Building Street effect, but feel free to experiment with any effect that matches your project. Simply drag it onto your clip and click Generate. Finally, for the last scene, I'll go back to AI transitions and use the time travel transition. Drag it between the final two clips and generate it to create a smooth cinematic ending. Now that all of the transitions and effects have been generated, you'll notice that some of the clips are slightly longer than before. This is completely normal, so the next step is to fine-tune the edit. Simply trim the extra footage, align every clip with the voiceover, and make sure the pacing remains smooth throughout the entire video. Once everything is synchronized, it's time to add background music. Go to the audio section, then open Universal Music. Filmora provides a huge library of royalty-free music that you can use in your videos. Simply search for the type of music you're looking for and drag your favorite track onto the timeline. If you want something more unique, you can generate your own soundtrack using AI music. Just enter a prompt, choose your AI model, customize the genre, mood, instruments, and duration, then click Generate to create music that perfectly matches your story. You can also generate AI sound effects to make your scenes even more immersive. Here's the final result that I created entirely inside Filmora.
Time never waits, and neither did I. I spent my life building robots, smarter, faster, and better than humans. One day, they decided they didn't need me anymore. Now, I watch my own creation rule the world.
If you don't have Filmora yet, you can try it for free using the download link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.